Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo and
Shruti.
yay, this song that we're gonna react to now. I think it has been on the request list since like the last 20,000 years.
Why'd you say that, Jojo?
Because
Why?
it's been on the list from the early days when young stunners and hip hop reaction started on this channel. For those who
Right.
kind of weren't around in the early days, this channel never covered hip hop. I started it with like everything else, and all other music genres, even other kind of content, but hip hop just happened to enter my life with Brother V and then Krishna and then Young Stunners. So since those early days, this song has been on the request list.
Oh, nice. So it's an
I
old
just
song then. मतलब ये गाना कब
yeah,
2020 it says. Okay.
October 2020 it dropped.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it actually dropped while this channel was alive. Strange how I never got to it. I don't know why I never got to it. But anyway, I thought let's just get to it now. It's got
Let's.
it's got Somi Chauhan, who we haven't heard in a while, Tala
Hmm.
Yunus, Rap Demon, and Tala Anjum. The music is by Rap Demon. Amazing. We like all of them. Let's do
Yes,
it.
absolutely. Yeah.
Chalo. Let's see what it's about. One, two, three, play. Literally, there's red light. Oh,
रेड लाइट करे मुझे जोन में हाँ, मत पूछ मेरे से मैं कौन रे हाल पूछे मेरा मुझे फोन पे हाँ, बातें चली तो चल होने दे शायरी लिखी है मेरे फोन में बातें सभी थी तेरे होने से मिली न थी तब मुझे रोने पे रोए अब मेरे ना तू होने पे Cruise it and this so high Baby you're losing your mind Miss call to missing Now you know why मैनू चाहिदी नी तू ना चाहिदा है कुछ तेरी दुनिया तो मैं हूँ जोन में मैं हूँ जोन में मैनू चाहिदी नी तू ना चाहिदा है कुछ तेरी दुनिया तो मैं हूँ जोन में मैं हूँ जोन में आजा आजा मुझसे बात कर याद कर कितने गाने मेरे याद पर रात भर तेरे बारे लिखे रात भर कागज भी कहते हैं मुझसे रहम खाए साथ पर दिल ये दरिया है तैरना सिखाता मुझ पे जैसे करम मैं खुदा का वो डूबने से पहले किनारा दिखाता मैं लिख दूँ बीती सिर्फ डर मुझे आपका नहीं तेरा नशे मन कसरे सुल्तानी की गुम्बद पर तू शाहीन है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर माना तू खफा पर दुनिया झूमे मेरे गानों पर तू खुद मेरी मुरीद क्या लिखूं मैं फिर दीवानों पर मैं भी कह देता तू खूब है मैं जुड़ा हुआ टूट के याद तेरी आई फिर गई जब तू रूठ के मैनू चाहिदी नी तू ना चाहिदा है कुछ तेरी दुनिया तो मैं हूँ जोन में कहती क्यों रहता फोन तेरा बिजी मैं हूँ जोन में गई से मैं बात करूँ puffing on a stizzy 6 in the morning कर दिए calling कहती है down to repair कहती है missing your laugh पाकिस्तान सरी से मैं insane मुस्तकिल क्या सुनूं तेरी फिल्में मुश्तमिल न हुए तेरे दिल में So I pop pills when I'm in pain मैं वक्त को ना जान पाया पर वक्त भी अभी मुझे जानता नहीं मेरे लफ्ज़ जो ना करें तेरा जिक्र तो फिर ये साला कलम किसी काम का नहीं अब तू बैठ और ये सोच के तू क्या है भला कौन तू ये तुझे चढ़ा मेरे प्यार का ही नशा या फिर डोसी डोज की डोज पे स्टोन तू मैनू चाहिदी नी तू ना चाहिदा है कुछ तेरी दुनिया तो मैं हूँ जोन सही कदी हाल मेरा पुछते सही I know you miss me baby गल करन च कोई नुक्स ते नहीं I got everything मेरी जिंदगी में रोल्स ही नहीं वफा इन तराजू में तोल दी गई जिस बात का था डर वही बोल दी गई आधे रास्ते से गाड़ी वापस मोड़ दी गई तेरे आसरे में जिंदगी ये रोल दी गई सोलमेट बन दी सी हूँ तो कॉल भी नहीं सारे वादे नाते कसमें यहाँ पे तोड़ दी गई हम तो गाते चले गए होंगे जख्म खाते चले गए होंगे फिक्र शराबियों की तू ना कर लड़खड़ाते चले गए होंगे मैनू चाहिदी नी तू ना चाहिदा है कुछ तेरी दुनिया तो मैं हूँ जोन में मैं हूँ जोन में
Damn. That's a hot box, right? What do you call that?
Yeah. Yes.
A hot box?
It's in fact it's a studio hotbox.
Yeah.
and kahan ka studio hai? It's what is it
High
called? High Zone
Zone
Records.
Records. Very much in the high
Okay.
zone.
Okay.
Hmm.
So when the song started, so I like how you noticed right off the bat saying ke are literally ye to red tube lights lagi hui hai. Like you know how then the Ghana is called Red Light. So okay, that immediately made sense then. That for them clearly, you know, being in the studio and that environment and like getting high, that's what the
Yeah.
song is about.
No.
But you know, when the hook started, like when right in the beginning, I was like, what? So if you're in the zone, you don't want to talk to the girl, you don't want to whatever. So I was like, I was a little taken aback. And then I was like, okay, I need to understand. I was like, sahi hai, if you're saying you don't want to do anything with the girl, you don't even want to answer her calls, you don't whatever, because you're in the zone, then okay. So I got a little thrown off because of the chorus, but then the verses completely put everything into perspective and made it really good. So many different ideas and thoughts. You know, chorus is supposed to be like that it can push you in multiple directions. It doesn't have to be just one kind of a thought. You know, jaisa verse hoga, chorus uske sath fit baith ke us thought ko badal sakta hai. Which is what in this particular song, it literally happened. With every verse, the meaning changed for me of the chorus and became us verse ka meaning, which was very, very nice. Like if I had to, like definitely both Tala Yunus and Tala Anjum, jab wo aaye the, their verses were my favorite because immediately there was so much beauty in the verse. You know, that ironic type ka jo ek writing hota hai, that was beautiful. I really liked the whole song in totality, but in parts, thoda repetitive ya thoda boring, I don't know what to call it, wo ho gaya. But in most parts, it was very beautiful. So yeah, I enjoyed listening to that one right now. What do you feel?
I felt like this is a song people will vibe to and enjoy when they're in the zone, for sure.
Yeah.
It's got that vibe, and to them, it won't feel slow because it'll be exactly where they are, you know?
In the zone, yeah.
Since we are not in the zone, it did get a little slow at certain points, but like you were saying, the verses more than made up for that. And especially Anjum and Eunice's verses. I even liked Rap Demons.
I liked,
you know, and I generally always like his voice and his thing. I think Somi Chauhan's vocals worked really well for the chorus and the vibe that it was bringing in. So that kind of did justice to it. And yes, it's just a song that the boys are writing about the girl and they're in their zone and they've fought or they've broken up or they've whatever. There's just like gile shikwe happening and then everyone's just saying what they need to say. But like you said, Anjum, just, I don't know, there's this guy, man, like, how does he write? Like, I don't know. The thing is, anytime there's a sort of romantic angle wala gana, वो इतने अलग एंगल से लेके आता है अपनी बात को ना, और वो शायरी में लपेट के जो मारता है, it's like,
yes,
you're like,
I hear you.
You know what I mean? Like, how did you come from this angle this time? You know, it's just... It's just lovely, man. It's just brilliant. I love it. Other than that, there was something else I was gonna. Yeah, I was basically
Definitely
they're all passing the joint and they're all taking drags. And you know what I was honestly thinking? I was like, you know, I really like these guys and their music, and like I really want them to like live long and prosper. So like I'm really feeling for their lungs. You know, like I'm feeling worried. And I was like, please, thoda, I don't know. I'm just saying my thoughts. out of concern.
That depends on
and
what they're
care.
rolling. Like,
Yeah,
as if
but
I recall
no,
it.
but I've seen normal cigarette smoking and all of that as well.
Tobacco is
Just,
bad.
yes,
That's
that's
what
what
I'm
I'm saying.
Tobacco is really
That's-
bad.
There is a lot of
But
non-stop
how do we know?
chain
But how do we
smoking
know
happening.
what is? That's what I'm saying. How do
वो-
we know what
वो
is being
दिख-
rolled? Tobacco is bad for sure.
वो दिखता है stories में और Instagram पे और इधर-उधर, you know. So
There I don't follow. So I
I'm
have no
just,
idea.
yeah. So whatever it is, I'm just saying out of concern as a
Yeah,
concerned
yeah.
fan. थोड़ा like just take care of your lungs.
Health का
That's
ध्यान
all.
रखो.
हाँ, बस, that's all. On that very health conscious note, I don't know, random
like it.
thoughts. Random thought.
Yeah.
Chalo, we'll head out. Check out Ms.
Yes.
Bola's website. It's linked below. And keep
Thank
the
you.
recommendations coming on my DMs. Do support the channel. And that's all. Live long and prosper yourself. Take care of your health. Bye.
Bye.
Random.